Let us start with the next topic, that is types of errors or error in formula. For that, open your books at page number 21 and look at the screen carefully. We have different types of errors in Excel like hash errors, division errors, name error, reference error and value error. So let us start with the first error, that is the hash error. What is hash error? When the column is too narrow, or you can say when the column is too small, the cell size is too small to display the result of calculation, you can change the column width to display the result. Only it will show the result if the size of the cell would increase. If the size of the cell is less than the result value, then it will show the error. So look at the screen carefully. Suppose I have typed here a too long value like this, and also I have typed in the second cell a large value, and I just want to add these two numbers, like I have typed here equals to, as formula always begins with equals to A1, because the address of the first value is at A1. Then I have typed plus A2, and then I pressed the enter key. You see the size of the cell fits. Okay, so it will show us the result. But if I increases the value of the cell, then it will show me the error. See, now the error is there. Earlier it shows us the correct answers, but now I have increased the size. By increasing the size of the cell, it will show us the error. I am using the Office Excel, so it will not show us 4 hashes or 5 hashes. If I use the Excel 2010, then it will show us 4 hashes instead of E error. So those who have Excel 2010 in your PCs or laptops, you can use that one. It will show you the 4 hashes. Now let us start with the division 0. If I divide any number with 0, suppose I have divided 50 with 0. If I divide any number with 0, formula, keep in mind formula always begins with equals to sign. I have typed equals to 56 divided by 0, and then I press the enter key. It shows us the error, means the formula divides a number by 0. Excel considers a blank cell to have a value of 0, so it will show us the result division error, because any number when divided by 0 will give us the infinite result. So it will show us the error that number can't be divided by 0. So next type of error is the name error. Suppose I have typed here few values. Let me take this cell. I have typed here 10, then enter 20, then enter 30. Okay, so I just want to add 10, 20 and 30. The cell address of 10 is, value 10 is A10, 20 is A11 and 30 is A12. I want to add 10, 20 and 30. By mistake, I have typed wrong cell address like this. Suppose equals to, instead of A10, suppose I have written AG. Instead of A10, I have typed by mistake AG, and then plus, then A11, second cell address is correct one, then again plus, and then A12. Okay, and then I press the enter key. It will show us the name error, that is the name of the cell is wrong. The formula contains a function name or the cell reference that Excel does not recognize. Excel does not recognize AG. Look at the formula bar over here at the top of the screen. I have typed AG plus A11 plus A12. AG is not any cell, so it will show us the error, means that we have typed incorrect value. Then last is value error. Reference error I will show you in some other video. So because in this office reference error is not working, I will show you this error after value. So next is the value error. So next value error, I have taken again 3 values, 10, 20 and Monday. So when I just want to add these values, like equals to A16, the salad dress 10 is 16, so I have typed A16, then plus A17, then plus A18. So Monday can't be added with 10 and 20 because it is a string value and the other two are the integers value. So Monday can't be added with these, so it will show us the error. So enter it, it will show us the value error. We are left with only one error type, that is the reference. I will show you, just wait.